We've just gotten in touch with our camera crew, but they can't hear us, it seems. Apparently they're taking a break there. They're looking for survivors in a building near the crater. We're not completely sure where we are. It looks like a building they're calling Manhattan Mountbatten. We're still trying to establish a connection with the crew. There don't seem to be any survivors here. Well, here's an office going in to some sort of an office area. I don't seem to see anybody there. Let's see where they go. Oh, for the love of God, the horror, the devastation, the tragedy. Well, he seems to have found something or someone here in the corner.
When you're ready.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I came to see if anyone needed help. We've got about 80 students a couple of blocks from here, but they're safe. And I've got to catch up on some paperwork, so, there's so much to do.
All right. Tell us what happened.
Well, I managed to climb over the volcano and run up the stairs here to our office. Then the smoke and flames started, and...
Oh my God, that's horrendous. But you've got to get out of there.
Oh, I managed to stop the flames by stuffing some old research papers into the vents.
Well, how on earth could that stop the flames?
Well, they're really wet.
Oh, good God! You mean the plumbing's burst?
No, they're just wet from the students crying all over them.
So sad. I see. Wait a minute. It's getting really hot in here. Are we okay? Okay. We're fine. It's just getting a little smoky. Oh, what else can you tell us?
I'm okay so far, but please send help. I don't want to walk through that lava again. My feet are blistering.
Our producers have called 911 and help is on the way. Hang in there. Oh my God. The lava has entered the studio and is approaching the anchor desk. I'm checking out, signing off. I've got to save my Manolo Blahniks. Good night and good luck.